I'm running Netbeans 13. I don't know which one you will install later. Okay, the first thing we do is simple. We just let me increase a little. Okay, there we go. Sorry about that. So we're going to create a new project. I don't want this one, just forget about this ones. So the first project, we just come here, we click on create new project. We're going to run Java with Ant at the moment. I don't want Marvin, I don't want Gradle. We shall learn how to do that maybe later. So we click on this, then on the right hand side here we again click on Java application, then I click next. After next, we give it a name. The name of the project, I want it to be hello, blah blah blah. That is it. I don't want it to create a main class. I'm going to create that by myself. So next we're going to finish up the creation of the project. So depending on the speed of your computer, it may take long or it may not, so it's up to you. After that, what we do next is come here, right click, and then you say new. Let's create a package first. In our package, I'm going to call it hello. That is it, and then I just finish it up, and yeah, upload. That's all that is to it. So the next thing you'll do is now we create the class, a Java class, that one there. Just follow me up and then you see. So the name of my Java class is going to be hello still, and that's all. Just finish it up and there we go. Okay, yeah, this is it. If you remember, there we had in the first program we had this called, we talked about the keyword public, and then we talk about the keyword class, and then the name of the class. Public is like a visibility in Java. It's a visibility in Java, and it allows access to the files in a way you want it. Then class is a keyword in Java which signifies that this one is a class in Java, and that class has a name called hello. So like I said earlier on, Java program execution starts from a method called main. So the next thing we need to do if we want to run this Java program is to create the main method, and to do that we just give it a visibility called public, and then its context, which is static, and its return type is void, then the method main, and that's all. So we give it the argument it takes in, which is an array argument. This is just a name. It can be anything, can be a, can be, or the whole thing argument, but I mean I just like using that because probably I was introduced to that, and that is it. All right, the next thing is okay, I did something. So after that we close, we open that, and then press enter. It will add the closing immediately by itself. That's anyway the good part with IDE. It saves you a lot of time. I talked about system as being a class in Java, and that system gives you a lot of access to, let me say, the system, the input and output streams in the computer, and let me say the errors and the rest. So the first thing we're going to do is use the output stream. Why? Because we want to print it out. Then inside that output stream we have a method called print of println. I like println because it moves my cursor to the next line immediately. So what do I want to print? Hello. Hello what? World. I'm greeting you because this is my Java program. I'm so excited. That is it. So I could do Control S to save the file. Afterwards, in running, there are so many ways you can run. Just right click here and you come to run a file, or you use the short form of shift key on the keyboard, then F6, or you come here and then you just click on this. It's going to run that same project, or you just come to the file and you right click on it like this, and you come and say look for the run. Oh sorry, it's up here, run. That's it. So I'm just going to run my file. Blood should run in a few seconds. There we go. Here you see, that is it. So this is how you create your hello world program in Java. So starting the the coming videos, we shall be using Notepad, the IDE, not the Notepad as we had done earlier on, but this is what we're going to be doing going forth. Okay, that's it for now, and I wish you a good day. Thank you.